Can the Federal Republic of Nigeria sue Natasha? So many persons are like, what is the business of the federal government in this matter? Others are like, I did not sue her, so why is it the Federal Republic of Nigeria against Natasha? Let me break it down. When it comes to criminal matters, not just anyone can bring an action in court. Here are people who can do that. We have the Attorney General of the Federation, Attorney General of the state, we have the police, special prosecutors, just like the EFCC and so on. Private legal practitioners, but they can only do this with the permission of the Attorney General. But this is what you should understand. In criminal law, a crime is considered an offense against the state and not just one person. So when a person charged is said to have committed an offense, it is against the state or society and not just against one individual. That is the difference between a civil and criminal matter. So if, for example, an offense happens in Lagos, the case would be State of Lagos against the defendant. That's the person who has been alleged to have committed the offense. Let's use an illustration to make it easier to understand. If Mr. Paul assaults Ms. Priska and Mr. Paul is charged to court for the offense of assault, the case will be the state against Mr. Paul. It's not going to be Ms. Priska against Mr. Paul. Do you get it? Now, this matter is in Abuja, the Federal Capital Territory, and the Federal Capital Territory is not a state in itself. The Federal Capital Territory is headed by the minister, who is appointed by the president. So the proper party to prosecute this criminal matter is the Federal Republic of Nigeria, represented by the Attorney General of the Federation, because the court is in Abuja. Remember what I said about a crime being an offense against the state and not just an individual. And remember, Abuja is not a state in itself. What usually determines who prosecutes a criminal case is dependent on the location or venue. And you also look at what kind of offense it is. Is it a federal or state offense? So in this case, it does not mean the president or politicians are personally suing her. It's just how the criminal justice system works in Nigeria. I hope you found this helpful. See you in my next video. Bye.